Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making loaded mashed potato puffs using leftover mashed potatoes. First, I'm going to chop up some chives that I'll be using later. Next, I'm going to be whisking 2 eggs. The recipe does call for the eggs to be beaten, and as usual, I will include the recipe down in the description box. I'm going to preheat the oven at 400 degrees. Next, I'm going to get started on the mashed potato puff mixture. I'm going to add all of my ingredients to a bowl, starting with the mashed potatoes. I'm adding cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs lightly beaten, chives, these are the bacon pieces that I chose to use, but any type of bacon bits or real bacon would be just fine for this recipe. And last but not least, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Now it's time to mix until all the ingredients are well blended. These mashed potato puffs are a great idea if you want to use up some leftover mashed potatoes. However, if you want to make the recipe and you don't have any leftover mashed potatoes, you can always just whip up a batch. The next step is to spray your muffin pan with some cooking spray. However, if you're using a silicone pan like this one, you'll want to rub it down with some butter. I'm using a normal size pan here, but a mini muffin pan is okay to use as well. Next, I'm just going to add the mashed potato mixture right into the pan. These will bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Once the puffs are a nice golden brown color, we're going to remove them from the pan, and as you can see, they turned out beautifully. I have to say that these loaded mashed potato puffs were absolutely delicious. They're so versatile. You can use them as a side at dinner time, as an appetizer, as a snack, and you can jazz them up even more by loading them down with even more bacon bits, chives, and some sour cream. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, and happy cooking!